Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to configure the Android app for Grameen Foundation's TaroWorks, your best solution to growing insights from the field. Now you may recall from earlier that the TaroWorks solution has two main parts. In the front end you have Android devices in the field, and then in the back end you have Salesforce.com, the software in the cloud where your surveys are created and submissions are stored. In the next few minutes, we'll show you how to connect the Salesforce.com backend so you can download survey forms and upload submissions. Plus, we'll also show you other settings. Before you begin, you need an Android device with the TaroWorks app installed. Internet connection is not required to perform the configuration, but it is useful for checking if it's done correctly. And with that, let's go to the demo. Since it's difficult to take a video of an Android device, I'll again be using an emulator to simulate the behavior of an actual Android device on my computer. Open the app. You see the main menu for GF Mobile Surveys. Press the menu key on the keypad. Press Change Settings option that appear on the bottom of the screen. In the Server section, press on Server Platform and select Salesforce Protocol. Next, press URL and enter the secure server URL as provided by your Salesforce administrator. Now, if you are the Salesforce administrator, you can find the URL by following the instructions on the left. When you finish, click OK. Next, input the username and password assigned to you. Now, if you're not sure what your username or passwords are, please contact your Salesforce administrator. Leave the form list path to default value of form list. For the submission path, click on it and make sure that this is entered correctly, as shown on the left. Now press the back key on the keypad to return to the main menu. All your changes will be automatically saved. While we're here, let's see what other options you can have access to. Scroll to the bottom and you see the client size options. You're able to change your text font size. You're able to mark the default to finalize. We recommend that you keep this checked. This way, when your forms are saved, when you finish them, they would be ready to be submitted. You can also show the splash screen. If you wish, you could find a default image that's stored on your device and have it show every time you open the app. Click back to save your settings. Congratulations! You have now configured a mobile survey app to connect to your server. If you have an internet connection, click on Get Blank Form to test your server connection. If it's working, you should see all the published survey in the Salesforce instance available for you to download. Remember, all settings must be correct in the app in order for you to connect to the back end. Please contact your administrator if you have any questions about the server URL or the username and password. Finally, it is useful to change the font size to match the size of your device. Thank you very much for watching. To get detailed information on how to download surveys, please see this how-to video. We also appreciate your feedback, so please click on the link below or post a comment.